A turmeric mask contains many nutrients that are good for the skin and is also a natural anti-aging agent. In this chapter, we will show you how you can make the care product yourself. Turmeric mask, natural beauty care. Turmeric has made a name for itself as a spice for exotic dishes. Due to its ingredients, the root is also used for health maintenance and relief for various complaints. The turmeric can do even more. Applied externally, the yellow powder is a small beauty elixir. You don't even need many ingredients to make your own turmeric mask. Turmeric powder, natural yogurt, and honey are enough. Mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix the ingredients well together. Then apply the mask to your face, neck, and décolleté and leave it on for around 20 minutes. Turmeric mask, that's why it's so good for the skin. Just as the yellow root has a positive effect on our health internally, turmeric has a beneficial external effect on our skin. The substance contained in the turmeric is known as a radical scavenger and therefore an effective anti-aging agent on a completely natural basis. In addition, the turmeric mask has a very relaxing effect on the skin and provides it with moisture. This smooths out fine lines and the face looks much fresher. The golden seal has an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effect so that it also works well as an anti-pimple mask. There is also a small disadvantage to this natural beauty product. Turmeric is used as a natural coloring agent in the kitchen, for example in the famous Spanish paella. After using the turmeric mask, your skin will probably have a slightly yellowish tinge, but it will disappear very quickly.